Okay, so the first step you've got to take is to get yourself a programming environment. And the one that I use is Micro-C Pro for PIC. And this can be freely downloaded from the Micro-C website. You're also going to need to know a little bit of the C language if you're using C, of course, but that's for other tutorials. Okay, so the way to set up your project is to go project, new project. This new project wizard will come up. Click next. Give your project a name. In this case I'll give it the name LED Flash, and select a folder. I'll go LED Flash and select the PIC you're using. Now I'm using the PIC 16F676 microcontroller, and the reason I'm using that is because it has an internal oscillator, and the advantage of that is you don't have to wire in an external crystal with two capacitors to make this work. It's just at this early stage an extra level of complexity which can allow things to go wrong if you use an external oscillator. So I would go with that, and you can tell it's a 16F676 because it's written on the PIC chip. The device clock in this case of the 16F676 is 4 megahertz. Now click next. Do you want to try to create it? Then I say yes. At the moment I'll just say next, and next at this step. I'll click this button to say open edit project window to select the configuration bits, and click finish. Okay, now because I'm using an internal oscillator, I need to switch, make this selection for oscillator selection to be internal oscillator IO function on RA4. That seems to work. And I disable this memory clear function and brownout detect in the project configuration options, and now click OK. And what you'll get is this void main stubble header. So I've rewritten the program beforehand. This is probably one of the most simple programs you can write in Micro-C.